In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sheets in Canva. If you've ever wished your Canva charts could pull data directly from a spreadsheet and stay updated as your numbers change, this walkthrough is for you. We'll start inside Canva, bring in a chart, connect it to Google Sheets, choose exactly which cells to import, and then customize the look so your design is both accurate and on brand. Begin by opening Canva and either starting a new design or opening an existing project you'd like to enhance. Pick a size or template that suits what you're creating, maybe a presentation slide, a report page, or a social post. Once you're in the editor, the rest happens right on the canvas. Next, add a chart. On the left-hand sidebar, click Elements, then scroll or search for charts. You'll see options like bar, line, pie, and more. Choose the chart style that best fits your data story. For comparisons over time, a line or bar chart works well for parts of a whole, a pie chart is usually clearer. Click your choice, and it will drop onto your design. You can resize and position it just like any other element. With the chart selected, look for the Data panel. Here you'll see a place to edit values and labels. Instead of typing numbers manually, click Add Data and select Google Sheets. This is what links your chart to a live spreadsheet so you don't have to copy and paste. You'll be asked to sign into your Google account and grant Canva permission to read your sheets. This allows Canva to fetch the data needed for your chart. You can adjust or remove this access anytime from your Google account settings. After connecting, choose the specific spreadsheet and then the sheet or tab inside it that contains your data. You'll be prompted to define a range. Enter the cell range you want to import, including headers if you'd like Canva to use them as labels. For example, you might select A1, E10 to capture a title row and several columns of values. When your data loads, the chart will populate instantly. Now customize the look to match your design. In the Data panel and the Chart settings, adjust colors, labels, legends, and axis titles. You can tweak fonts, change bar or slice colors, and format values to be more readable. As your numbers change in Google Sheets, your Canva chart will sync live, keeping your design up to date without extra work. That's all you need to connect Google Sheets to charts in Canva and polish them for a professional finish. Thanks for watching.